Imagine watching the smooth, continuous flow of water from your kitchen faucet suddenly break into distinct, indivisible blocks of ice tumbling into the sink. In our daily experience, reality feels entirely fluid. You can pour half a glass of milk or move your hand a fraction of a millimeter. But at the absolute base level, our universe operates in these distinct, indivisible packets. Physicists call one of these packets a quantum. Derived from the Latin word for how much, a quantum represents the smallest possible unit of a physical property, like energy or light. It is the absolute floor of physical reality. While quantum behavior seems like incomprehensible magic, it is a mathematically precise system. In the language of quantum information, core concepts like superposition and entanglement can be described using high school-level probability and algebra to predict outcomes with extreme accuracy. This diagram contrasts classical physics to a smooth ramp where you can stop at any height, with a quantum staircase where you only occupy specific steps. In the quantum world, energy exists on these fixed levels and never in the empty space between them. Discovering the universe is pixelated into these discrete steps shattered the long-held rules of classical physics and provided the blueprint for nearly all modern technology. By the late 19th century, physicists believed the laws of nature were almost solved. However, they could not explain the ultraviolet catastrophe, the mystery of why glowing objects change color as they heat up. In 1900, Max Planck fixed the equations by proposing that energy is emitted in discrete packets. He originally viewed this as a mathematical trick to get the right answer, rather than a description of physical reality. 5 years later, Albert Einstein took the concept literally. He proposed that light itself travels through space in indivisible packets of energy, which were later named photons. This diagram illustrates the photoelectric effect, where Einstein proved that light frequency determines whether electrons are ejected from metal. A single photon of the right color has the energy threshold to knock an electron loose, while intense beams of the wrong color do nothing. Physicist Robert Millikan initially set out to prove Einstein's theory wrong. Instead, his highly precise measurements confirmed the linear relationship between light frequency and electron energy, proving Einstein was correct. These results forced scientists to abandon the continuous model of nature. They had to accept that at the microscopic scale, light and energy act as discrete particulate packets. To see how these packets move, researchers used the double-slit experiment, firing single particles toward a barrier with 2 slits. The particle travels as a probability wave, passing through both simultaneously and striking the back wall as a single point, creating an interference pattern. This behavior defines superposition, the rule that a quantum system exists in multiple possible states at the same time until it is measured or observed. There is also entanglement, where 2 particles become linked. Measuring one instantly determines the state of the other, regardless of a distance between them. Because particles exist as probability waves, they can occasionally pass directly through seemingly impenetrable solid barriers. This quantum tunneling is the mechanism that allows the sun to fuse hydrogen and produce light. While these rules defy human intuition, their predictable mathematical nature makes them a powerful toolkit for manipulating matter at the atomic scale. Beyond the chalkboard, quantum physics serves as the engineering engine for 21st century technology. By mastering electron flow and quantum tunneling, engineers developed the transistor. This device is the fundamental building block for the processors in every computer and smartphone. Stimulating atoms to emit specific, quantized photons led to the invention of the laser. We use this technology for everything from scanning barcodes at the supermarket to high-speed fiber optic communications. The GPS tracking in your phone relies on atomic clocks like this one. These machines calculate time and distance by measuring the exact quantized vibrations of atoms. Medical imaging is also a quantum application. MRI machines work by manipulating the quantum spin of atomic nuclei inside the human body to create detailed internal images. The digital age, global navigation, and modern medical infrastructure are all direct byproducts of learning to control the discrete steps of the quantum universe. The next frontier is quantum computing. Instead of classical bits restricted to 1 or 0, qubits utilize superposition to process complex information exponentially faster than traditional systems. Researchers at companies like SpinQ are already applying this technology to real-world challenges, from accelerating genome assembly in biomedicine to analyzing financial risk. However, there are limits to quantum weirdness. The Schrödinger's cat thought experiment is a common myth. In reality, a cat cannot be dead and alive simultaneously. This is because of coherence. Large biological systems instantly lose their delicate quantum states when interacting with environments, causing the probability wave to collapse. While Einstein famously doubted entanglement, calling it spooky action at a distance, it was proven real and recognized with the 2022 Nobel Prize. However, it cannot be used to transmit information faster than the speed of light. While physicists still debate the deep philosophical meaning of this pixelated reality, the ability to discover and manipulate the universe's indivisible building blocks remains a defining scientific achievement.